who's on the line?
My name is Geraldine Pagdulo.
May I know your number, ma'am?
0955-028-191.
May I know your arrival date and time?
On May 20 at 7 a.m. in the morning.
What type of room would you like to book?
Yes.
One moment, please. I'll be checking if there's available on that day. Upon checking, ma'am, there's an available on that day. How many persons are we expecting to arrive? The room rate per night is 1,500. Your room number is 301. May I know your email address, ma'am? Are you the booking person, ma'am?
Yes.
What method of payment do you prefer? Ma'am, do you have any special request?
I repeat your details, ma'am. Your name is Geraldine S. Pantilao. Your phone number is 0955-028-19. Your arrival time is at 7 a.m. in the morning. And your arrival date is on May 20. Email address, geraldinepantilao@gmail.com. And you're the booking person. And thank you for patronizing our hotel. Have a nice day.